Alright, this is getting interesting. I'm waiting on the snowplow to come up behind me, I hope. Slow down to 20 miles an hour here. Yikes. Sun's just coming up. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. Bus driver said that the road is being plowed. Gotta watch out for Bugland Hill though. Just take it easy. It's gonna take me an hour and a half to get out there, but oh well. Okay, the plow, we just saw the plow. He was coming west, so this is unplowed now. Oh well. Still looking good though. Okay, we cleared Bugland Hill without incident. The road's cleared up nicely. Coming up to the Newhants trailhead pretty soon, and then Lippon Point. So it looks like we're good to go. Clearing up nicely. The road is a little treacherous in spots. It loses traction. Bugland Hill, if you had to stop quick, would not be good. So I just did that at 20 miles an hour. Alright. Here we are, Lippon Point. What the road's going to look like here. Look like they plowed it. Be careful. Jesus. Wow, this is touch and go. I think I can make it up there. Holy crap. This road is slick. Okay, I made it to Lippon Point. That was no cakewalk. If that hill had been any steeper, I wouldn't have made it. No turning around either. You had to back down it. But somebody had just left this morning. One of the guys that I passed on the road drove out of here, so he broke a trail for me. That was good, so I was able to follow his tracks, but wheels were just spinning all the way up the hill. As long as they stayed in the track, it was okay. You can see his footprints here. This is the guy that came out this morning. So nobody else up here but me. I'm gonna have this whole Tanner Trail and a Beamer Trail to myself this morning for the whole rest of the week. Right on. It's supposed to clear up. The slight snow's okay because it's only gonna be on the top. Let's go check it out. Best view I've had of the canyon. It was obscured yesterday. Oh, this is a nice view here. I've never been here before. Well, I've been here, but I never looked over the edge. You can see how the snow only goes maybe down 1,000 feet, 1,500 feet. So you get down there, it's nice. You can see the river. All right, ready to hit it. Just sitting in the car, enjoying the last little bit of heat, eating some food, warming my hands up. Ready to get on it. Not gonna bring a tent. I thought I had a really light pack, and I realized I didn't throw the water stash in there, so I need to stash some water on the red wall. So that's 6 pounds or more. So there goes the car camping tent I was going to throw in my pack, but I don't need a tent. There's an overhang down there at Tanner. So I'm gonna hit it. Got my layers on, and I got my TR Beck shirt. It's my good luck charm this trip. So bro, bring me some luck. You got a poker chip there, huh? Yeah. Right on. It's gonna be lonely. Ain't nobody else up here. Ah, Another car just got here. Fresh powder. Kicking through fresh powder. Good thing I wore these rubber Merrills. Man, this would be miserable in my other Merrills. It's nice though, this fresh snow. I don't have to put crampons on. I can just get pretty solid footing just with these lug soles. You got a really aggressive sole on these boots, so they're made for snow. Some styling. Alright, pretty much out of the snow from here. The trail's a little wet still, so it's kind of muddy. You can see we're at the bottom of the snow. Alright, I'm at the top of the red wall. Yeah, I made it to the river. 6 hours. The same amount of time it took me last time. I wasn't in as good a shape this time. I wasn't ready for that. That was hard. I haven't carried a heavy pack and almost down that much hill in quite a while. Almost probably since February. So yeah, almost 11 months. All the stuff I did in the Sierra was day stuff mostly. But wow, my legs hurt. My feet feel good. Thanks to my shoes and my socks. Thanks to Raymond and his mom for those. Making my feet feel good. Take them off and give myself a little foot massage. Got this whole place to myself. It's awesome. Loving it. Tomorrow we're off to the confluence. Alright. Slept for 2 hours. Yeah, it felt good. A little chilly, but man, woke to those clear skies. It's going to be awesome tonight. The stars. Oh man. It's been cloudy, cloudy, cloudy all day. I woke up, looked up. Just beautiful blue sky. Bluer than my down jacket. And even bluer, almost as blue as my blue sleeping bag. Anyway, time's wasted. I gotta clean up around here and cook some dinner. Yeah, I'm looking forward to going to sleep. See, that damn river won't shut up. Anybody know how to turn that thing off? Damn, it's noisy. Alright, it's 9:30 in the morning. It's still cold, man. Ice on everything still. Hitting the trail, heading down to the confluence. Palisades Creek, the next camp, I think. Alright, let's hit it. Okay, I just passed my campsite from the last time I was here last year. And we're headed down the Beamer Trail. Nice wide open Colorado River here. This is kind of what I'll be following just along the river for the next 4 miles. Pretty easy on the legs for today and tomorrow. Still not in the sun yet, but it's coming. It's on the other bank. Beautiful point high on the river here. So we're on camp tonight, right on the river. Just saw a little party go by, 3 guys. That's Temple Butte. It's 5,300 something feet high. We're at 2,700 here. It's like 2,700 feet above us. So the Palisades. This Palisades Creek comes down that drainage there. Pretty awesome. See that wall there? Spectacular. I climbed up the trail just to see where the start is. That's my camp. Climbing up on the top peaks here. That's a layer of rock that runs along the river. You can't walk it along the river, so you got to get on the ledges up above the river and hike it pretty much all the way to the confluence. So it's going to be interesting tomorrow. It's going to be a 12-mile day, but I'm day packing it. It's 7:15. Just getting ready to hit it. The sun's just coming up. Got a little bit of moon there. See if I can get the moon in the shot. There's the moon. Came up about 5:30 this morning. So it was dark last night. That's good. So, gonna hit it. My legs are sore, but I feel a lot better without that big backpack on. I'm just carrying the day pack. I haven't been in the first mile in about half an hour. It's pretty good. Includes going up that hill. Straight down about 400 feet to the river there. I followed the river till it ledged out. I followed the ledges and I climbed up this little underhang here. Awesome little spot. Out of the river, out of the weather. Alright, just did my lunch stop. The sun finally came out. Man, it's cold up here. Fingers are like popsicles. But it's nice. Here on the top peaks. A mile and a half. Confluence. Pretty good time. About 300 or 400 feet above the river here. Trail follows. Boy, a little stiff after that break. Legs feel pretty good though. Feet feel great. This is what the Beamer Trail is known for. This little trail across the top of this rock layer is called the top. Along here, you gotta be careful. It's not bad. I mean, I've been on worse trails here, but one oops and it's a long way down. A lot of fun.
I would not want to do this with a backpack. I'm glad I left my pack at Palisades Creek. That was the brilliant decision. Look at this wind up here. Whoa! Look out! Look out below! We're going to be, that's what they call a bay. Kind of in-cut. Got to go all the way in there. We're going to be crossing right across there. Doesn't look like a trail would go there, but it does. It's only 3 miles as the crow flies from Palisades Creek to the confluence, but by the time you do all these bays in and out, you got 6 miles. Pretty spectacular. See right across there. It's the trail we were on. So that was an easy bay. Some of the bays you got to go up and down. See the gaining and losing elevation. It takes a toll on you. That was an easy one. You pretty much crossed at the same level. And it gets out on here. Kind of cruises. So you can make up time. Good trail. See the desert view tower right now. I can't see it in this picture, but far away wall at the middle of it sticking up. Sketch city. I don't remember going down this. Right there's the trail. Look at that sucker. Overhanging. Wow. I love it. Unreal. This is probably the sketchiest part right here. You got this big old flake. I wouldn't stand on that either. Probably take a ton to move it, but home stretch. One more bay and then it's downhill to the campsite. We're going to make it by before 3. And I don't know if I should grab my pack, beat feet as far as I can tonight. See how I feel when I get there. That's it down there. The flats, that's where I'm at. Almost there. Alright, it's 4 o'clock and I'm decided to make a head for the Tanner Beach. Didn't know if I could make it in daylight, but it looks like I'm going to. I got less than a mile and a half and about an hour and a half of sunlight, so not too bad. Okay, just fixing my biggest screw up of the 3 days. I was supposed to go around the back, go up this lump of rock. Instead I went down the front until I ran out of, obviously I wasn't going to get through. I went to backtrack, so I came up this choss pile here. Oh my God. Whew. I'm not going to make it to Tanner Beach, but it's a good place to camp up here. Almost at the top. Alright, 7:47, breaking camp. The water settled out last night, so I was able to fill up my bag. I decided not to carry any extra. I'm just going to bank on getting up to the top of the red wall and getting to my other stash of water. But a little chilly, it's a little frost on the stuff this morning, not as much as 2 nights ago, but it's chilly. I put my gloves on. Let's see if we can get out of here today. One last look. Dirty brown Colorado today.